Welcome to today's video. We will talk about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu, a close friend of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the first leader of Muslims. He was known for his strong faith, kindness and dedication to Islam. He was born in Makkah. He was honest, wise and respected by everyone. Before accepting Islam, he was a successful businessman known for his fair dealings. He was the first man to accept Islam after hearing Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's message. From the beginning, he supported Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and stood by him through all difficulties. He used his money to help Islam and freeing slaves like Bilal radiallahu anhu. When the Prophet migrated to Medina, he stayed with him in the Ghar Saur and protected him with a great loyalty. He passed after the Prophet ﷺ passed away. He became the first Caliph of Muslims. He worked hard to keep the Muslim community united and preserve Islam. He also started the written collection of Quran. He passed away in 634 CE and buried next to Prophet ﷺ's grave. He is remembered until now because of his sacrifices, truthfulness and kindness that set an example for all Muslims. His life teaches us loyalty, humility and kindness to our faiths. He is the role model for all the Muslims everywhere in the world. Thank you for listening.